Some power outages in southeast Ohio due to ice. Now we've seen more than an inch of rain in some spots too. If you look on these vehicles here, there is ice on the windshield. There is ice here on the front of the hood, but the roadway is mainly just wet. I couldn't rule out ice on a few roadways. Most of the roads had just enough heat. I mean, we're just slicing it right on that freezing edge in places like Jackson, MacArthur, Athens, your air temperature there. So a deck, a mailbox, anything that's metal, the handrail, the car, anything that's a colder surface like that will freeze. Maybe a bridge and overpass, but your main roads seem to be just wet, just right there on the edge of that. So it's been something. I do think the temperature is going up a degree or two after midnight. It'll take a while for you here in southeastern Ohio to see a little relief. It goes on through Meigs into Wood County. We've seen the ice. And now we have, again, some cold rain everywhere else, and it has been coming down. Next couple of hours, though, midnight, we go from the 30s to the 40s by 1. This is kind of your Charleston-Huntington average. Look at that. We're going to wake up with temperatures in the 50s and be up to 60 by lunchtime. Flood watch. All right, look, we're to the point now where it's on you, it's on me. All right, if we get out there and we see it, there may not be a flood warning on that creek or that one over there, but if it's up, you just don't want to try and cross that. I know a lot of people say, I got a truck, it's up high, you know. You cannot tell, especially in the dark. Please, the default needs to be just stop, turn around, go back to where there's high ground, okay? That's always what we say, turn around, don't drown. Raining heavily from Huntington to the east. There's a little gap. Those were thunderstorms. How about that? We do have lightning with those. They're coming through Portsmouth as we speak. Maybe a little bit of hail in that too. And then there are more storms back here. Now, if there's any severe weather, it's probably going to be down here to the south, a little closer to those thunderstorms. And that's probably actually more like 5, 6 in the morning back there, that storm by Bowling Green. Maybe a little hail here is what we're looking at. Other than that, this will go away at about 2 in the morning, that freezing rain concern. Ice storm warning will continue till tomorrow morning. Our model had picked that up. I didn't think it was going to come that far south. The model was spot on with the ice. That'll melt as we go through the next several hours. All right, here you go. Watching the rainfall really picks up at 3 in the morning. That's a little disheartening. And then we have continual rain here in the southern counties. Watch this, another stripe that comes through, maybe a strong storm late tomorrow. Not the best, because the weather model now kicks out something like 2 inches of rain in the southern counties. Look at that, 2.5. That's just through 9 o'clock tomorrow. We could do that again on the weekend. Not great. 60s tomorrow, so unsettled. And then it's dry until Friday night. It's really unsettled Saturday, Sunday with a lot of rain. 60s and 40s, and then maybe snow next week too. Hang there with us. We'll get you through it on 13 News.